Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this series of most asked Java interview programs and questions. Okay, so in last session we saw method overloading. Okay, and in this session we'll be looking at method overriding. Okay, so method overriding is nothing but a runtime polymorphism. Okay, so in last session we saw like we can create a multiple methods with same name, but they need to have a different parameters, like different type of parameters or different number of parameters. Okay, what if there is some methods which have a same name and same number of parameters and same type of parameter as well. Okay, so that uh, come in a case of inheritance. Okay, so suppose any parent class has one method, test method, and the same method there is in a child with same name and same parameters. Okay, so that is called as method overriding. Okay, so let's take an example of RBI Bank. Okay, so I have created this 2 3 classes. So RBI Bank is our parent class. It has one method, get interest rate. Okay, again there is one Axis Bank. It is a child of RBI Bank. Again SBI Bank is again a child of RBI Bank. Okay, so one parent and two childs. Okay, so in RBI Bank, we have one method, get interest rate. Okay, so let's override this method. Okay, okay, the override symbol comes here, right? So we are overriding the get interest rate method from RBI Bank. So let's put it here 10, and similarly let's copy it in SBI Bank. Again here overriding this parent class method. Okay, if you want to see, you can see here, see two overrides, sorry, two overrides, and if you see it, Axis Bank and SBI Bank, right? So we have overridden the parent class method. Okay, so now how to access those method? Okay, we need to create a object of class RBI Bank. Bank is equal to new RBI Bank. Okay, let's copy this thing, SBI and Axis. Create, sorry, SBI and here Axis, right? So we have created these three objects. Okay, so these are like we are just in method overloading we are directly calling the method names, right? But here we have to create an object, and from object we are going to call. So based on the object and the reference of the child class or parent class, based on that, that specific method from that specific child class or parent class will get called, right? So that's why it is called as a runtime polymorphism. So let's add one print statement, RBI interest, okay, plus bank dot get interest rate, right? Similarly, let's copy these things. Here we'll put Axis, and here let's put SBI. Okay, SBI and Axis. Okay, so let's just run it, and we'll be able to see the result, right? So this is very useful because if you think practically, so RBI Bank is have RBI Bank has a base interest rate as a 2, but each bank can implement its own interest rate, right? So the same interest rate SBI gives 7 and Axis gives 10, right? So this is practical example of method overriding. Okay, so there might be a question in the interview like, can we override a static method? Okay, so we cannot override static method, right? Right, even they will ask, can we override main method? No, we cannot override main method because main method is static. If you want to see, I can show you that as well. So let's create one static method, public static integer test some parameter integer I, and we are returning the I. Okay, so this is a static method we have defined in the parent class. So let's go to any child class. Let's go here and here create one method, public int test, and here let's pass integer a. Okay, so we are getting this error, right? Make it static. Okay, so let's see the descriptive error here. Let's over it. Yeah, so insert method test integer cannot override static method. Okay, so this error will occur, right? So we cannot override a static method, right? So this is all for today's session. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box. I'll reply on that. Till then, bye bye. Please like and subscribe this channel.